Today I am going to be showing you how I make stickers with my new Cricut. I've used it quite a few times now and I love it. I've only used it to make stickers so far, and I've made a couple like decals, but you make those exactly like you would make stickers. It's been a lot of fun and I decided I wanted to show that process. And if you're interested in getting a Cricut, or if you just recently got a Cricut, it's actually really easy. Like, I was really intimidated by my Cricut when I first got it because it's big and like I don't want to mess it up or like get like paper jammed, or I don't know, it was just scary. Hopefully this video will make the process look a little bit easier, and if you're on the verge of getting a Cricut, I definitely recommend it because it's a lot of fun. Also, the stickers that I am making, they are available on my website if you're interested in them, or if you just want to like check out my website, that would be awesome and much appreciated. All right, let's get into it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like it and leave a comment if you have any suggestions on stuff I could make. Oh my god. Oh my god. The lighting. Okay. I hope this video was helpful for you. I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful day. And again, if you want to see more tutorials on different things, let me know and I will be happy to do it. Bye.